Hi, I'm Malcolm from Hybrid Shooter, and today we're going to take a look at the DJI Mavic Classic. Professional quality aerial imaging and video is now more affordable with the DJI Mavic 3 Classic. Almost identical to the standard Mavic 3, the Classic focuses on the 20-megapixel 4/3 CMOS sensor designed by Hasselblad. Nearly any filming scenario can be tackled by the Classic, as the 12.8 stops of dynamic range and f2.8 to f11 adjustable aperture let pilots account for nearly any lighting condition, even night shots. To complete the Mavic 3 Classic's powerful imaging abilities, 10-bit D-Log color profile and Hasselblad's natural color solution are employed for natural and accurate color reproduction. The features include the APAS 5.0. The Classic continually senses objects in all directions and bypasses them quickly and smoothly. With cruise control, you can now control the Classic to fly in any direction without having to continually press the control sticks. DJI also offers advanced tracking, pro-style automated maneuvers, and the ability to precisely hover for time-lapse and long exposure shots. With O3+ transmission, continuously view a live feed from the Mavic 3 Classic, even from distances up to an insane 9.32 miles away. Mavic 3 Classic allows for up to 46 minutes of flight time, ensuring more time to create and less time worrying about battery power. DJI continues to push the boundaries of professional drones at an affordable price. We can't wait to see what they come up next. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give us a like. Thank you and see you next time.